Step into comfort and warmth with the Water Heater Electric Instant 2025. Designed to make every shower a relaxing and soothing experience. Feel the stress of the day melt away as instant hot water flows, creating a cozy and comforting environment that brings peace and joy. Every use transforms ordinary moments into a luxurious routine, giving you the perfect blend of convenience and comfort. This electric water heater turns simple daily tasks into a refreshing experience that makes you feel cared for and revitalized. Number 1. Fudeer Water Heater Electric Instant Water Heater. Imagine waking up to a kitchen where every task flows effortlessly, no more waiting for hot water, no more frustration. The Fudeer Electric Instant Water Heater transforms your daily routine, offering a seamless experience that brings comfort and efficiency to your home. Its sleek stainless steel design not only complements your kitchen aesthetics but also ensures durability and longevity. With a powerful 5,500 watt capacity, it delivers hot water on demand, eliminating the need for long waits. This means you can enjoy your morning coffee or wash dishes without interruption, saving time and enhancing your daily life. The compact under-sink installation keeps your space uncluttered, while its energy-efficient operation helps reduce utility bills. Investing in this water heater is more than just a purchase. It's a step towards a more convenient and comfortable lifestyle. Embrace the change and make your kitchen a place of ease and joy. Number 2. Fudeer 3400 watts 220 volts electric water heating tap. Experience the luxury of instant hot water at your fingertips with the Fudeer electric water heating tap connector. Designed for those who value efficiency and comfort, this innovative device ensures you never have to wait for hot water again. Its sleek stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or bathroom, blending seamlessly with your existing fixtures. The compact design allows for easy installation without the need for a bulky water tank, saving valuable space in your home. Whether you're washing dishes, preparing meals, or simply need hot water quickly, this tap connector delivers consistent and reliable performance. Its user-friendly interface makes operation straightforward, while the durable construction guarantees longevity and peace of mind. Elevate your daily routines with the Fudeer electric water heating tap connector, a perfect blend of style, functionality, and convenience. Number 3. 3500 watts smart electric water heater kitchen. Transform your daily routine with the Fudeer electric water heating tap connector, a game changer for your kitchen or bathroom. No more waiting for hot water to arrive. Simply turn on the tap and enjoy immediate warmth. Its compact design fits seamlessly under your sink, saving valuable space while delivering consistent, on-demand hot water. Whether you're washing dishes, preparing meals, or need hot water for any task, this device ensures efficiency and convenience. Its sleek stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to your space, blending effortlessly with your existing fixtures. Experience the luxury of instant hot water, enhancing your daily activities and bringing comfort to your home. Invest in the Fudeer electric water heating tap connector and elevate your living experience with modern convenience. Number 4. Briwellna electric water heater hot water. The Briwellna electric water heater hot water faucet 2-in-1 base and tap tankless geyser is a revolutionary addition to your home, offering instant hot water at your fingertips. Its sleek design and compact size make it a perfect fit for any kitchen or bathroom, providing both functionality and style. With its tankless technology, you can enjoy continuous hot water without the wait, enhancing your daily routines and bringing comfort to your home. The easy installation process ensures that you can have it up and running in no time, making it a convenient choice for those seeking efficiency and convenience. Whether you're washing dishes, preparing meals, or simply need hot water quickly, this faucet delivers reliable performance, saving you time and energy. Investing in this innovative product means embracing a lifestyle of ease and modernity, transforming your home into a haven of comfort and efficiency. Number 5. Briwellna 220 volts electric instant water heater. The Briwellna electric instant water heater 2-in-1 kitchen faucet tankless water heater Tapch or Faux instant geyser KM12 is a transformative addition to your home, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Imagine the luxury of instant hot water at your fingertips, eliminating the wait and enhancing your daily routines. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into your kitchen, adding a touch of modern elegance while saving valuable space. The compact, tankless technology ensures continuous hot water without the bulk of traditional systems, providing a clutter-free environment. With easy installation and user-friendly operation, this device brings both functionality and style to your home. Embrace the comfort and efficiency that comes with having hot water on demand, transforming your kitchen into a haven of convenience. Invest in the Briwellna electric instant water heater and elevate your daily living experience.